How to transfer your videos to Photobucket on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your videos to Photobucket on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find this three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then go down until you find settings, and here you will find go down until you find this one, transfer a copy of your information, and click next. Here you will find the photo bucket. Click on it and then just go to photos and turn it off here by clicking on and then click next. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.